Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a controller. This is the Claw Shoot, and we are looking at the wired controller today. So on the top side, you can see a little infographic which shows you what the controller looks like. And they've got a little sticker on the top left asking you to register your gamepad on their website. On the sides, you have more diagrams and imagery. On the back, you have the pricing and manufacturer's contact information. On the front surface, you can see some notes, namely that the cable length happens to be 1.8 meters. It's got two vibration motors, dual vibration motors, one in each grip. It features plug-and-play support, and it's compatible with both X input as well as D input. Also, there's a mention about the warranty. Again, you should check the Amazon listing of this device to get exact details of the warranty coverage. On the underside, we have a couple of features, namely that this supports a broad set of games. You've got the dual vibration motors. The grips are rubberized, and the layout is quite familiar and common. It's similar to the Xbox gamepad. Then for specifications, we already know that it uses USB. It's got 12 buttons along with an 8-way D-pad and 2 analog sticks. The weight is 237 grams, and it's compatible with all Windows that has been launched since Windows XP. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first, you should always read through the documentation. This will give you all instructions on how you can switch between the different input modes, that is X input and D input. That would be very much required when you're switching between different games, because they're usually built with support for either, not both. Then if there are any software or drivers that you need to install, that will also be linked to in the documentation. So we'll put that on the side and come to the only thing that's left in the packaging, that is the controller. The cable is 1.8 meters long. We've already read that on the packaging. And it uses a USB Type-A interface. The grip on the plug is also quite long. There's also a little ferrite choke along the cable. Coming to the controller, you can see all the buttons on the front. There's the rubberized part of the grip. We've got the 2 analog sticks, the 8-way D-pad, a back and start button, home button, 4 little LEDs to indicate which is the controller or player number. So if you're connecting this to a device that has 1, 2, 3, 4 as the player numbers, then that will be indicated over here. Then you have the ABXY keys over here. On the top, you have the shoulder buttons as well as 2 analog triggers, hopefully analog. And that's about it. So that's it for the unboxing of the Claw Shoot wired controller for PC. Thank you for watching.